That playbook is really the climax of this deep dive, because if the allegations in these filings are accurate, this isn't just aggressive lawyering. It's a coordinated pattern of weaponizing the justice system. The most explosive example detailed in the affirmation is the David Terrell case.
The Terrell case is a masterclass in how civil litigation can be manipulated to destroy an effective investigator. David Terrell was a black detective who successfully investigated and dismantled massive narcotics and weapons trafficking networks in the Bronx. We are talking about violent street gangs like the Lyman Place Crew and the Hilltop Gang.
Led by a figure named Pedro Hernandez, right?
Yes, Pedro Big Bank Pablo Hernandez.
Between 2015 and 2018, Scola, working alongside a disgraced former officer turned private investigator named Manuel Gomez, just flooded the civil docket. They filed approximately 22 civil rights lawsuits against Detective Terrell. They were filed on behalf of the very violent gang members Terrell had arrested.
Wait, if an attorney files 22 lawsuits on behalf of known gang members against the cop who arrested them, doesn't a judge instantly see through that?
It's all about creating leverage and reasonable doubt. When you file a civil rights lawsuit alleging police brutality or corruption, it instantly creates what's known as Brady material.
Ah, I see.
Defense attorneys can use those pending civil allegations to cross-examine the detective in criminal trials, painting them as a corrupt rogue cop to the jury. It ties the officer up in endless depositions, drains their resources, ruins their credit, and fosters jury apathy. The goal is to force acquittals for violent offenders by destroying the credibility of the arresting officer.
The affirmation notes they coordinated with figures at PIX7 and NBC to broadcast these unverified civil complaints as absolute fact, effectively convicting Terrell in the court of public opinion before he ever set foot in a courtroom.